How many European countries can you name in 1 minute while solving Rubik's Cubes?
Sweden, Norway, Finland, Denmark, Germany, Luxembourg, Netherlands, Belgium, France, Spain, Portugal, Andorra, San Marino, Liechtenstein, Vatican City, does Turkey count?
Yep.
Greece, Albania, Montenegro.
Next one.
Kosovo, I don't know, that's a country, that's debatable. Ukraine, Hungary, Poland, Belarus, Latvia, Lithuania, Estonia. What else is there? Czechia, Slovakia. Bulgaria, Romania, Cyprus, supposedly.
Yep.
I mean, Israel is in the Eurovision. I don't know. Okay, I'll just try to finish this one at this point.
Yep. And your time is up.
That's it.
Thank you very much for appearing on Talk to the Nation. That was phenomenal.
Thank you.